Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. This video, tutuloy natin ating series on laws of exponents. No? So kung mapapansin nyo, ay medyo marami na tayo na pag-aralan. No? And in this video, magdadagdag ulit tayo ng another law which is A over B raised to N. So ano naman yung magiging sagot dito? No? Katulad ng mga several examples natin dito, o several laws natin dito, mas maganda tignan natin yung specific examples. No? For example, 3/4 cubed. No? Paano ba natin kino-compute yan? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng 3/4 cubed? So this is equal to 3/4, di ba? You multiply 3/4. Ilan yung nakikita yung factors? Dapat tatlo, di ba? Kasi tatlong beses siya dapat. So meaning this is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 cubed, and then 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 cubed, which is equal to 27 over 64. So meaning 3 over 4 cubed is equal to 3 cubed over 4 cubed. That's example number 1. Number 2, we have, hindi siya example, but tingnan natin yung pattern. No? What is p squared over q cubed to the 4th power? Ginawa natin dyan. So, ilang beses din yan? We multiply it where p squared over q cubed appears 4 times, di ba? Q cubed times q cubed, p squared over q cubed. So, ano mangyayari? Magiging p squared times p squared times p squared times p squared is p to the 8th. And then ito, q raised to the 12th power. But notice that yung 8, it's actually p squared raised to the 4th, and q raised to the 12th is actually equal to, diba? Q cubed raised to the 4th also. Meaning, pag meron pala akong ganito, na meron akong fraction, no, na niraise ko sa power, pwede ko siyang i-split. No? Split ko yung kaniyang hihiwalayin ko silang dalawa, i-erase ko yung numerator sa power, same power, and erase ko rin yung denominator to the given power. Meaning, a over b raised to n can be written as a raised to n over b raised to n. Nakita niyo yung pagkakapareho? Pinag-iwalay natin siya. Dito magkasama sila na niraise sa power. No? Pero dito, magkahiwalay sila na niraise sa n. No? So, yan yung another rule na dapat nyong i-memorize. No? So, siguro we'll have more examples para mas malinaw. Bear with me. No? Medyo matagal yung pag-erase. So, let's have z over 2 cubed. So using this, we can split, no? Yung z, cube natin siya. And then yung 2. Okay? So this is equal to, kahit wala nang exponent, z cubed over 8, no? Number 2, we have negative 2m over 3n raised to the 4th power. So from here, pwede natin i-split yung numerator at denominator and raise both of them to 4 by this law. No? So we can split negative 2m raised to the fourth, and then 3n raised to the fourth. So, anong susunod na law na gagamitin natin? Magkaibang variables and then you raise more than one variable and then you raise to a power. Naalala nyo? Ito yun, di ba? So, more than one variable and then you raise to a power. So, this is equal to, anong ginawa niya dito? In-split niya, di ba? In-split niya rin yung A tsaka B. Tapos, ni-raise niya both sa power kung ano yan dito. So, pwede natin gawin yan, no? That's negative 2, no? Negative 2 raised to the fourth, and then m raised to the fourth. Ganun dito, di ba? 3 raised to the fourth, and then n raised to the fourth power. So, from there, pwede natin simplify. Negative 2 to the fourth, ilan yun? 16. Negative times negative 2. That's 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Times negative 2 is 16. M to the fourth over, what is 3 to the fourth? That's 81. 81. N to the fourth power. Okay. Number 3, we have r cubed over 2s to the fourth raised to the sixth power. So again, we split using this law. No? So r cubed raised to the sixth power, and then 2s to the fourth raised to the sixth power. So ito, by this law, multiply yung exponent. So that's r to the 18th. Ito, hindi pa pwedeng i-diretso. Magkaibang variable, you raise to a power, and this is power of a product. So 2 raised to the 6th, s to the 4th raised to the 6th. So this is r to the 18th over, what is 2 raised to the 6th? 64? Is it 64? Kasi ang 2 to the 5th is 32, so this is 64. S to the 4th raised to the 6th power, aling law dyan? Multiply, di ba ito yun? Multiply yung exponent. If you have a certain expression with an exponent, you raise another exponent. You multiply. So 4 times 6 is 24. S raised to the 24th power. Okay? So, yeah. Sulat lang natin na maayos. Sige yung r to the 18th na sa barangay. R to the 18th divided by 64s to the 24th. Okay, so I think naubos na natin yung mga different laws, no? Ito na yata yung last. Pero siguro I'll give several examples on how to use all these laws. Halo-halo na, no? So, para mas lalong ma-deepen yung ating understanding on the laws of exponents. So, this is A. Sorry. A raised to, A over B raised to N is equal to A to the N over B raised to the N power. Okay? So, yan. Bisitahin nyo ating YouTube channel na youtube.com/user/Sipnayan page. Mag-subscribe kayo, no? Kasi madami tayong in-upload every week. You go to our Facebook page na meron tayo dyang mga exercises na pinopost ako. And then we also have our website, Sipnayan.com. So, pwede yung puntahan yan kasi nandiyan nakalista yung mga, parang ito yung table of contents natin. No? So, nandiyan nakalista yung mga videos, tsaka dyan nakalink. Kasi sa YouTube, mahirap maghanap. No? So, visit the website. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.